Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best scratch remover is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner with wooden furniture. Scratches on your beloved wooden table can be a real eyesore, but don't worry, because today, we're diving deep into the world of scratch removal. We'll explore various methods to erase those unsightly marks and bring your table back to its original splendor. Number 5. Furniture Repair Kit, 13-piece wood marker set. Tired of scratches on your furniture? This 13-piece repair kit is the perfect solution. It helps you easily fix any imperfections. The kit includes 6 repair markers, 6 wax sticks, and a sharpener. It has everything you need to touch up your furniture. With colors like maple, oak, and mahogany, it matches various wood tones. Now you can easily match the color of your furniture. These top-quality markers and wax sticks effectively cover scratches and discoloration. It provides a permanent fix for your furniture. Simply draw over the scratch and watch it disappear. It's safe to use on all wooden furniture. The included sharpener keeps the wax sticks ready. What we like. This kit offers a wide range of colors to match your furniture perfectly. It's incredibly easy to apply, simply draw over the scratch. If you have multiple pieces of furniture with different wood tones, this is the ideal choice, ensuring a seamless repair and permanent results. What people say. This kit comes with everything you need, in all wood colors. Works very well and better than I expected. These markers have actual finish coming out of the tip. It glides right on but does have an initial tackiness that will go away as it dries. If you get some on your hands, it's not a big deal. The instructions say to use lighter colors first and graduate to darker colors, so that's what I did. Things blended best using this method. I tried going directly to what I thought was a matching color and that didn't blend as well. Do follow the directions. My nightstand looks new. I wish I had a whole, before, photo of that one. I have only a few close-up photos. I moved on to my bathroom vanity, which is more of a lighter color. This time I took before and after pics of 2 sections, and also a video of the process. It dries almost instantly, so if you want to make the ends blend, make sure to have a throwaway cloth handy. You'll need to follow right behind the marker. I detected no odor at all from the markers. The crayons smell like typical wax crayons. No symptoms from using either the crayons or the markers. It's totally worth trying this product if you are unsure. Also, it's fun to make things look like new again. I look around and wonder what can I fix next with these. Highly recommend. Number 4. Rejuvenate wood furniture and floor repair markers. This set of markers is designed to perfectly match your wood furniture and flooring. It effectively covers scratches, scuffs, and any damage, restoring the original look. No matter the color of your wood, these markers have you covered. They are designed to cover all types of scratches, making them disappear quickly and easily. Applying this product is simple. Just make sure the color matches, apply it to the damaged area, and reapply for a darker shade if needed. It's that easy. The pack includes 6 different colors: maple, oak, cherry, walnut, mahogany, and espresso. This variety ensures you'll find the perfect match for your furniture. Keep your floors and furniture looking great with this economical solution. It's the perfect way to refresh your home and make everything look new again. What we like. The markers provide an exact color match for your wood furniture. They effectively cover all types of scratches. If you're looking for a simple and economical way to keep your furniture looking great, this is the perfect solution, ensuring your furniture looks brand new. What people say. The markers did a great job covering the scratches and filling in some deep miscolored spots. I was amazed at how well it blended. My furniture was espresso and it matched 100%. Can't even tell. Results were better than expected. Number 3. Rejuvenate Cabinet and Furniture Restorer, 16 ounces. This product is designed to fill in scratches and protect your furniture. It also gives a beautiful shine to your cabinets and furniture. It is easy to use and revitalizes your cabinets. It gives them a crystal clear finish, making them look new again. This product is safe for use on sealed hardwood, laminates, and paneling. Remember to only use it on indoor cabinets and furniture. For the best results, use it with Rejuvenate Cabinet and Furniture Cleaner. This will gently clean and enhance the natural beauty of your cabinets and furniture. One bottle of this product can cover up to 650 square feet. It's a great value for protecting and shining your furniture. What we like. This restorer not only fills in scratches but also shines and protects your cabinets and furniture. It's easy to revitalize your cabinets and give them a crystal clear finish. If you like a product that offers multiple benefits, this is the one for you, ensuring your furniture not only looks great but is also protected. What people say. This product works best on cabinets. I've also used it on ceramic tile, but it really shows up on cabinets. Mine are oak and I like them shiny. This stuff will last for months if you apply it right. Just one swipe, then move on, let dry before adding more. Rejuvenate Cabinet and Furniture Restorer is hands down the best product I have used for cabinets and furniture. I have a console radio and record player from the 1960s that has been setting in a building for many years, and I thought the finish was ruined until I used Rejuvenate on it, and it now looks brand new. The table now looks better than it did when new. If you're still on the fence, take the plunge and pick this up. Number 2. Old English Scratch Cover for Light Woods. Is your furniture looking a little worse for wear? This product is designed to bring it back to life. It helps to cover up scratches and imperfections, making it look new again. Woodwork can be easily damaged, but this product can help. It's perfect for revitalizing your woodwork, making it look fresh and well-maintained. It's easy to use and provides great results. Floors take a lot of abuse, and scratches are inevitable. This product is ideal for refreshing your floors. It helps to hide those unsightly marks, giving them a polished look. This scratch cover is specially formulated for lighter woods. It blends seamlessly, effectively concealing scratches and blemishes. It's a simple solution for maintaining the beauty of your light wood surfaces. This 8-ounce bottle provides ample product for multiple uses. It's a cost-effective way to keep your light wood furniture, woodwork, and floors looking their best. Get yours today and see the difference. What we like. This product is specifically designed to restore lighter woods. It's easy to apply and provides quick results. If you have lighter wood furniture and want a simple solution to cover scratches, this is the perfect product, bringing your furniture back to life. What people say. Old English is always a good product. Wonderful for scratch repair on my real wood floors. They look almost new. Shiny and no scratches visible. Number 1. Trade Secret Scratch Concealer for Dark Wood. Is your dark wood furniture looking a little worse for wear? This product is designed to cover up those unsightly scratches, nicks, and scuffs. It's the perfect solution to bring your wood surfaces back to life. This concealer is specifically formulated for natural, dark-stained hardwoods. It blends seamlessly into the wood grain, restoring the original beauty. Remember, it's not for laminate or veneer surfaces. Ideal for those everyday imperfections caused by pets, furniture, or general use. It enriches and conditions the wood without leaving any wax or shine buildup. It's a quick and easy way to refresh your furniture. Chosen by furniture experts for its streak-free finish. It revives your wood furniture and floors in seconds, leaving no sticky residue. You'll love the smooth, blended look it provides. Made with a coconut oil base and 0 VOCs, it's safe for your home and pets. This formula gently conditions the wood while reducing flaws. It's a better way to care for your surfaces and your space. This scratch remover camouflages light scratches and discoloration. For deeper damage, you may need additional treatments. It's a simple solution for a beautiful finish. What we like. This concealer is specifically designed for real, dark wood furniture. It has a wax-free formula and is eco-friendly. If you are looking for a product that is safe for your pets and home, this is the perfect choice, ensuring your furniture looks great while being gentle on the environment. What people say. It filled scratches and dents that were many years old, almost completely removing them from view. This wood repair cream works wonderfully for fixing scratches on furniture. This polish works not only as a great wood polish, but effectively covers scratches. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.